Hey guys, how's it going? So I just want to let you guys know that I bought some W DWACW warrants. Um, I was watching, I was watching a bunch of YouTube videos on digital world acquisitions, and some guy recommended buying the warrants. So I went and I looked at the warrants, and I was like, "Whoa, it's $11. Does that mean that if I exercise it, if I bought it at $11 and I exercise it at $11, I get it at $11? Because getting it at $11 sounds like a really good deal." So I bought some more share. I bought some more warrants. I also bought a little bit more shares when it dipped to around $41 ish. But when I saw the warrants, I loaded up on the warrants. I think the warrants could be a much bigger return on investment than the actual stock price. Just my opinion, not financial advice. At the end of the day, and I still believe that this stock is going higher. I think that Donald Trump is more popular than GameStop. I feel like there's going to be a lot of social media. There's going to be a lot of coverage around this stock. I've already seen so many YouTubers cover this, big YouTubers too. Like, for example, Kevin, who has 1.7 million subscribers, and probably a lot of people who watch it. CNBC covered it. You know, every single media outlet is covering this stock right now, and I feel like this run is just getting started, and it's gonna go a lot higher than what it is right now. Again, my opinion, my opinion only. I'm obviously not going to get that much media attention. I'm not gonna get that many subscribers from this. I was in it all. I was in all the super hot stock: GameStop, AMC, AMD, Tesla. I talked about Tesla when it hit $180. I made a video. Cybertruck will be a big deal. That day that I made that video, the stock was $180 US, lowest point ever. That's actually my biggest video ever. But just because of my terrible English, nobody's going to be watching my videos. Nobody cares about me. People don't, listen to my voice. They're like, "Oh my god, this guy sounds like an idiot. Oh, I don't want to listen to this guy. I'm not subscribing to his channel." It is what it is. It's my life. I don't really care at the end of the day. At the end of the day, if I can make money off the stock market, I'm happy. And I think I'm going to be making a lot of money off this back. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. Me, Kevin. I'm hoping Jeremy comes out and talks about it. It doesn't even matter if he does, because, like, let's be honest, the media is already covering this thing heavily. If Jeremy covers it, that would be awesome. I like to hear his perspective on the stock. I want to hear everyone's perspective on this stock. I want to hear what people have to think about this company. I'm still in the process of watching the Meet Kevin thing. I don't really watch him very much, but once in a while I do. Weird with his green hair. I think he did it to, gather more attention. Maybe people will watch him longer because of his green hair. After hours, look at that. Up $3.68. Like I said, this stock, well, I won't be surprised if we see this thing trade at $100 tomorrow. This thing traded at $100 tomorrow, I will not be shocked. Because that's what I believe that the stock price is going. Right now, there is a huge amount of short interest on the stock. I believe today, one of the videos I watched, one guy was saying that over 350% short interest on this stock in the dark pools today. And I think it's going to rally. I think there's going to be a big short squeeze, and I think the stock is going much higher. 471 million shares traded today. I think I was so close to my 500 million prediction, but pretty close. Tomorrow's probably going to be less volume. I think it's going to be like 250 million shares traded tomorrow because the stock price is a little higher, so there's going to be less trading going on. I mean, when it was like $19, $18, $17, I can understand, but when it's like trading at $50, I think there's going to be less volume. But who knows? Maybe tomorrow will be even a bigger volume day, and that would be insane, you know, and this thing could maybe go to like $150. You know, that I would be so ecstatic if that happened, and this thing would go to like the moon. We could see this thing go to like $30, $40, $50 tomorrow if the other stock goes to like $100 to $150. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Very, very, very happy. I feel like this stock is going to be bigger than GameStop. That's what I think is going to happen. Pure speculation on my part. Only time will tell if I'm right or wrong. But I think I have a feeling it's going to be bigger than GameStop. You know, but hey, my opinion only. Donald Trump should be bigger than GameStop. He was the president of the United States. He was on The Apprentice. If it wasn't for COVID-19, I guarantee you Donald Trump would have won the presidential election because of COVID. Kind of messed up a little bit, and a lot of people wanted someone to blame, and Donald Trump was the person to blame, kind of, for not handling the situation better, and he lost because of it. Else he would have definitely won if there was no COVID-19. I think China purposely set that up, so like, this is just my opinion, but I feel like China benefit a lot from the COVID-19 situation. There was a riot in Hong Kong. COVID comes along, riot gone. You know, like the protesting disappeared from Hong Kong after the COVID-19. Oh, wow, look. China just benefit big time. Donald Trump lost the presidential election, and who was on China's ass all the time when Trump was president? That's right, Donald Trump. He was always saying, we're gonna tax China to the moon, right? Like, and now that, you know, Biden's here, then we don't hear anything about China anymore. China just like news kind of like disappeared. So Trump was very, very heavily against China, and wanted to tax China like no tomorrow. And Biden doesn't really care. So, you know, it is what it is. You know, this is pure speculation on my part. Anyways, yeah, the stock is up right now, up another 90, $1.02. I don't know what it's gonna do, but if it crashes tomorrow, probably gonna buy some more. We'll see. I'm very, very, very bullish on this company, and maybe I'll calm down and just be like, okay, you know what? I'll just leave it. But if it crashes, I can't help myself but to buy some more, especially the warrants. I think warrants are going to be the bigger money maker than the actual stock. But hey, that's my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.